Hello, my name is Simi Shin and I am the Education Coordinator here at the Art and History Museums in Maitland. I will be teaching you today the steps to create your own masterpiece. We are so excited to be partnering with the Winter Park Sidewalk Art Festival, and although we can't see each other face to face, we hope you enjoy this virtual experience at home. The painting we'll be doing today is inspired by Jules André Smith, who is the founder of the Maitland Art Center, and his travels to Segovia, Spain in 1921. In the summertime, Segovia is covered with beautiful sunflowers that bring such warmth and brightness to its landscapes, and we really wanted to bring that same warmth to your homes by teaching you how to do these sunflower paintings, but with the André twist. André was a skilled artist who did a variety of mediums, such as printmaking, painting, sculpting, and even set design and architecture. He also painted in a variety of different styles, but the one we'll be focusing on today is called pointillism. Pointillism is the painting technique in which you use dots of color to create an overall image. Here are some famous examples of the use of pointillism. André's use of pointillism is a little different in that he would paint the image first and then add dots on top of it to add more details. Do you see the difference between the two? In the sample that we provided, you'll see that the dots add more details to the painting, and overall it comes together to create a wonderful masterpiece. Grab your kit and let's begin. Your kit should have everything that you need. It should have paint in yellow, green, blue, white, and black, a canvas, 2 paintbrushes, some Q-tips. You'll also need paper towels and a cup of water. Use scrap paper on the table if necessary. The first step is to paint the sky. Using the larger flat brush, pick up some blue paint and cover the entire canvas. Make sure to leave no white spots. Wash your brush off and wait a few minutes to let the canvas dry. Once the canvas is dry, we're going to pick up some white paint, still using the flat brush, and create some clouds throughout. Here I only did on the top and avoided the center so that there's room for the sunflowers. Once you've washed off your brush, grab the yellow paint. Starting in the center, create a big sunflower. Here I'm doing a technique in which I start at the top point and then drag the brush down into the center of where the flower is going to be. Going around in a circle, I repeat this step until I complete an entire flower. Paint 2 smaller sunflowers on either side. Washing off your brush, grab some green and create stems and leaves that come from the bottom of the sunflowers. Let dry for a few minutes, then go over the flowers again with more yellow to make it even brighter. Once you've finished going over a second time, wash off your brush and pick up some black paint. Create circles in the middle for where the seeds are. Once your canvas is dry, we're ready to create the dots. First, we'll be using the lids to create new colors. Starting with yellow, use your paintbrush to scoop more paint into the lid. Wash your brush off, then pick up some white and mix it together to create a paler yellow. Add more if needed. Next, I'm doing green and doing the same thing. I'm using the paintbrush to scoop more paint onto the lid, washing it off, then using white to lighten up the color. Repeat this step with all the colors. When you get to the white, Add white to the lid first, then add a little bit of blue to create a baby blue color. Once you mixed all the colors, you can move on to the next step. Using a paintbrush or a Q-tip, create the dots all over the canvas. Dip your paintbrush or your Q-tip into the paint and start to dot all around the clouds. You can dot in a random or neat way. Repeat this step for the sky, the sunflowers, stem and leaves, and the seeds. The harder you press down, the bigger the circles may be. Take your time and have fun in creating these dots all over your canvas to create this pointillism sunflower. If you need, let the canvas dry and add another layer of dots. Now you have your very own André-inspired pointillism sunflower painting. I hope you have fun creating this project and come visit us here at the Art and History Museums in Maitland. Thank you!